Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Samsung SmartThings Hub data export detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Samsung SmartThings Hub data, start by opening the SmartThings app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Samsung account. Navigate to the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Find and select your SmartThings Hub from the list of available devices. Tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Scroll down to locate the backup option and tap on it. You will see options for backing up your configurations and integrations. Select Export Data to begin the backup process. The app will prompt you to confirm your selection. Confirm to proceed. Wait for the app to create the backup file. Once the backup is complete, you will see a notification indicating that the data export was successful. The backup file will be saved to your device or sent to your designated location. To access the file, navigate to your device's file manager or the location specified during the export. Make sure to store the backup in a secure place for future access. For additional security, consider transferring the backup to a cloud storage service. This will ensure that you have an extra copy in case of device loss or failure. Review these steps regularly to keep your SmartThings Hub data backed up and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.